In front of me is TECNO Spark 20p, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. All you need to do is launch it and click on this icon of a color palette at the top. Then pick any theme, click on it, manage keyboards, and choose apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, color of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboards and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!